This is how to make a blog on Neocities. From your dashboard, you can see here your website files. And here, you need to edit index.html and upload your HTML blog. So you can use Claude or ChatGPT if you don't know how to create an HTML for your blog. For instance, I have created or generated index.html using Claude. So I'll just copy this one. Okay, I will edit this index.html. Okay, I will replace this with my HTML file. So just click save. Let's go back to dashboard and we will create a new file. So this will be another HTML file. So let's make it post.html. Click create and we'll edit our post.html and we will copy our post.html code. Okay, Control A. Let's paste this one here. Click save. And let's go back to dashboard. Let's view our website. And this is the main page and you can view the post right here. And here it is. So you can customize this one, add another HTML file, or add style. So this is how to make a blog on Neocities.